Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Jamaican back at you with another video. Let's get it.
Master, why this fortress? It looks like it's just a storehouse.
It is, and that's why we're here. These barbarians, they seem like they're good people. They embrace each other like they were all kin. But that is all a lie. When night falls, they stab each other with their knives. If there are wolves among them, should we not set them free?
Oh shit.
Now I had new questions.
It's about to be lit.
Ones that were much harder to answer. Catapults! Keep the ram moving! Being a skeptic was a death sentence. But doubt is a part
Oh crap.
of integrity.
So we're just gonna get right into it then, guys. Just about to get right into the new video right here. Holy shit. Boy, just run it up. Bang.
There was nothing I could do except protect the ram. And hope.
So basically gotta protect this big thing. Make sure it doesn't die. Just gonna kill these guys down here. So we gotta be on it to protect it, I guess. Let's see. Okay, there's this guy over here. So we're taking these guys out. That's around the ram. Gotta make sure it goes in there. Right, know what I mean? So basically gotta just make sure nobody's hitting it, nobody's around it. That's my dog. Don't mind him. Okay, there's somebody around it, man. There's somebody around it that's giving us problems, I think. I'm protecting the damn thing. What more do you guys want? Oh my god. Oh. Oh crap, there's one guy down here killing our ram. We spotted him, guys. F you, nigga. Oh shit. Damn. These guys literally come out of nowhere, bro. Oh. We spotted some of them up here. So we're gonna take these out. Y'all wildin' right now.
Territory. There was no way home but forward.
Ooh, it's a nice flip. Gotti. So when locking onto a target, use heavy. Oh, okay. Okay. Damn. This girl's kind of badass. So we just gotta keep defending it, making sure nobody's around it, you know what I mean? Let's get it! F all y'all. F you! Okay. You're dying, my friend. There's somebody. There's somebody over here. We gotta go, guys. F you. Oh. Let's get it. Oh. What the frick? Get up! Gotta restore that stamina, boy. Let's get it. Okay, there are two of these guys here. We're just gonna restore some health. Side, okay. Damn! Brr. Damn. So many of them. Okay, hold on. Gotta go back. There's somebody around here. We spotted him. Stop effing with my birds. Damn! Holy shit! Oh! This guy is strong as shit. Holy shit. He's strong. Really strong.
We were deep in enemy territory. There was no way home but forward.
Oh my god, we gotta start all over. Oh no, I don't think so, do we? No, we don't. I don't think so. Oh my god. Okay guys, so let's try not to die this round. That's the goal. No lie, he got some nice ass combos. Okay, we got him. Just gotta keep moving forward. There's some of these guys over here. We gotta take them out. Crap. Come on, let's win. That's why. Targeting the wrong person. Let's get some health. And let's go back around to get this guy. You're not gonna be killing my friends. Holy shit. Let's get it. Holy schmoly. I thought you were on my side. Yeah. Let's go back around. There's one guy over there. He's actually dying. My friends killed him. Wow. You guys are amazing. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. There's somebody over there. Let's go get him, guys. Oh wait, they got him. There we go. Okay. Holy schmoly, one slash. Took out two guys. Okay, there's one guy right here. We gotta take him out. Bye. Oh crap. Crap. I was killing my guy. Holy schmoly. Our ram is like dying. Damn. When did it get this low in health? Who's attacking this thing? Is it these guys over here? Crap, I gotta find the people who are attacking this thing. Come on, let's find them. It's not showing me. I think it's these guys right here. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so mad if it's not these guys right here. Come on. Let's kill them. Let's get them all out the way, guys. Holy schmoly. Our ram is dying.
To protect and operate the ram until we broke through.
We're just protecting our teammates right now. Holy schmoly. Damn. Okay, hold on. We gotta go over here. Oh. Somebody's blocking it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the big boss. Oh my gosh. Here we go, guys.
Good, Munder. This fort's legendary Jarl.
Oh. He's the boss. Urgh. Oh. Ugh. Oh shit. Low on stamina, low on stamina. Oh. Okay, we're back up, we're back up. Oh, crap. We're back up. Crap. Damn, this guy's good. He's good. We gotta watch him, guys. Whoa. Dang. I fell. Holy crap.
On your feet.
Let's go. Ah!
We were in. That spelled doom for the Vikings. Wasn't that why we came in the first place? It was hardly my first time sacking a fortress. Did it bother me?
Damn it. Okay, we gotta heal up. We gotta heal up. He's on our ass. No homo. He's actually dying really bad. Urgh. Ah! Let's get it. The heck? Who is you, little man? Okay, let's just take out all these guys right here. Help out our friends. Goodbye. All y'all. You're not about to just F my mans up like that. Okay. We got all of them now. We're just gonna go up here to the objective. Hold on, let's see. See what's in here. Okay, now let's get it.
Trading posts.
It be like that sometimes. It just be like that. 2-on-1. Oh crap. Heal up, heal up. Alright. We got him. We got him. We're just moving forward now. Forward! Okay, shit. Oh my god, the big boss is back. Holy shit. This nigga control dogs.
Prepare to die.
What the frick? I'm gonna have to fight these dogs off now? Oh my god. There's something coming from behind. Ugh. Ugh. Effing dog. F you. Ugh. Shit, how am I gonna... Okay, one hit and they're dead. That's the good part. One hit and they're dead. Let's get it. Come on. Shit. Ugh. Waiting for... Shit! Come on, man. Your dogs ain't... Crap. Him plus his dogs. Ugh. Shit. Heal up, heal up. Damn it. That effing dog. Yeah. Yeah, now it's just me and you, buddy. Just me and you. Let's get it. Holy shit.
Your legend precedes you, good Munda.
Oh my. F your shit. Ugh. 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 So if I dodge the dog, he dies too? Like, what the frick? Oh shit. Oh my god. Ah.
Give up. The people do not need to suffer.
Damn it. Holy schmoly. Oh my god. No! Okay, we're back. We're not dead yet. Okay. We're not dead yet, guys. The frick? What do you think? You're gonna like kick my ass for him? F you. F you, nigga. Let's get it.
I know now what haunted me that day. This is my duty.
Okay, I'm running out of stamina. I gotta slow my roll. There's a bunch of these guys behind here and they're dying so bad. Okay. So we got the majority of them dead down here. So we just gotta go over here, I guess? Okay. We just got a final battle. Nyla, stop the noise, Nyla. Shut up, I'm recording. Shut it, Nyla. Stop. Sorry guys, my dog is very annoying right now. Continue, me licking her head. Backside, me done. Me done. Go find something man do, man. Backside. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so now he's gonna fight me. Crap. Crap. Run out of health. Run out of health. Okay, he's dead. Damn, guys, we got him. Finish him.
To hell with you.
Damn, son. We got him, guys. What are you looking at me for?
Mercy. Why are we here? I think you know.
Famine. This place houses their seed grain. There will be no new harvest. By winter, they will be killing each other over what little food is left.
I took an oath to fight for peace. So did you. All of you.
Damn.
Hey. This food, why are we not burning it all?
What do you imagine the clans would do if we burned it all?
They'd starve. Die.
They would unite. But leave them scraps. Just enough for 2, maybe 3 clans. They will fight each other over what remains. The wolves among them will rise. We're not here to kill them. We are here to teach them who they are. To set them free. Time to go home.
Damn, he found his shit. It's lit. Thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the night story mode. We're gonna be playing the other 2 story modes that they have left. Appreciate everybody that's been watching so far. Thank you guys. It's been your boy Epic. Stay tuned for more videos every day, and we out.